Okay, I'm on the JetBrains site. It's jetbrains.com/IDEA. And we're going to click on download. And we want the community version. We'll do the exe on this side, and we'll click on download. And I'm going to copy this in my downloads folder. I want to open it when done. Okay, I paused the video there. It took somewhere between 1 and 2 minutes to actually download the file. And I asked it to execute or open up when it was downloaded, so we should be getting the program to open up pretty soon here. And it looks like it's opened up down here. Let's take a look. And yes, I want to let it change my computer. And we want to install, we only have one choice here. Let's click on next. Okay, I am deleting an older version, and I think I'll leave that. Let's go to install. I'm going to put it in the default folder. And let's create a Java association here. And I think we can probably leave the other ones unchecked. And eventually, when it finishes installing, we'll get this, and we can run the Community Edition by and it should come up here in a few seconds. Okay, and because I had a previous version of this installed, and I had a file that was the current file in that previous version, that is the one that came up. You always get this tip of the day that comes up, and you can either read it and keep on going, or you can turn that off, or I'm going to let it continue, but I'm going to close it. And for some reason it's trying to access the internet and it's not working. We're not going to worry about that right now. we'll talk about how to use this IDE in a later video.